Hello, my name is Glennceria and welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Today is an exciting day, guys. We are finishing up on our luxurious moisturizing bath truffles. So before we get into this video, you know I must say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get into this video. Happy Vlogmas, day 20. Isn't that crazy? 5 more days to go. Come on, let's get into this video. Okay, so before we get started, let's talk about the featured soap of the day. The featured soap of today, which is not even wrapped yet, we will wrap them next week, is Fig and Berries. Fig and Berries is made with Alkarnet root powder, Himalayan pink sea salt, and is scented with cranberry fig. And it smells so good. It's called Fig and Berries. Look at the Himalayan pink salt on top of that. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Luxurious moisturizing bath truffles, Sunny Days. And Sunny Days is scented with sweet orange oil. That's sweet orange essential oil. On the top, we have Epsom Salt, which has orange mica powder, okay? And that's our Sunny Days. So as you can see, I already shrink wrapped them. They're ready to go. So what we are going to do is package them, okay? Package and label. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you are doing well. Okay? Let's get our bags. These are 3 by 4 inch Wilton's treat bags, okay? They perfect size for my bath truffles. I absolutely love them. Alrighty, so I don't have my front tag, but that's fine. We can place the back tag and I'll come back and place the front tag later. I have to create it and print it out. But I wanted to get this video up and going so we can go revisit that later, all right? All righty. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, be yourself. There's no one greater than you. Just be yourself. Don't try to be nobody else. That's the back label. The back label, baking soda, citric acid, organic cocoa butter, organic shea butter, organic mango butter, essential oils, Epsom salt, and it also has my website, okay? So we're going to still, where's our string? We have our ribbon. You can use twine, ribbon, whatever you like. I'm going to do this. Even though I don't have the front label on it, it doesn't matter. I can always go back and just paste the front label on. But I can still get this video out and going for y'all, okay? All right. Let me get some room here, so I can have some space so I can tie my bows. So I'm tying the label to the bag, bringing it in the front and just creating a bow. And with that bow, I'm going to double knot that bow now. And then we're done. Can you believe it? 5 more days and Christmas is here? That is crazy, right? Sunny days. Are you finished with your Christmas shopping and holiday shopping, guys? It's coming upon you. I'm done. I'm not going to do anything else. I'm done. It's stick a fork in me. I'm done. That is it. That is it. The holiday, Christmas is just one day. One day out the year. You still have to continue to live. Right? Absolutely. Don't knock yourself out. Right there in the back. You see that? Placing it right there in the back. All right, we have those going. Our holes are here. Let's get our ribbon through them. Nice little assembly line going, right? So I have placed, all the others are in there. We have Mother Earth placed in my Etsy shop. That's my Etsy. It's Glennceria Loving Hands. Just take the S off of hands. Okay, so Mother Earth is already there. Lemon to my lime. Heavenly Lavender. And now we will be placing Sunny Days. Right? And I twist one time. I grab my tag. Place it down so I can get some type of hold here. And then I just make a knot, tie that knot, bring it to the front. I tie a bow. And we're done. See that? Very simple, right? Let's do that again. We have our bags here. Slide your Bath Truffle in. We have Sunny Days. Made with sweet orange, essential oil, sweet orange. Bath truffles are also good for pedicures, manicures. You want to moisturize your skin. Nice for soaking in the tub with. Do it one more time. Be yourself is the quote of today. Be yourself. Our soap of today, fig and berries. Do y'all like figs? I like figs. Are you staying warm enough, guys? Cold, right? Getting cold. It's cold. Is it cold where you live? It's getting cold out here. Put your body, your Bath Truffle inside a bag. Make sure it's labeled front and back and you're done. Just as simple as that, right? Simple as that. Repeat the step over. I have my tags. Isn't that cute? I thought those was nice. Show you again. Print, right? I tell you, that's the tedious part, is just trying to get it to find that corner, you know, where you can peel it apart. There we go. Got it. There you go. Place it. If it hangs, just bring it to the front. There you go. Let's do these three. And we have two more. So let's cut these two out here. Oh, I can't find the corner. There you go. Got it. All right, we'll place. I'm going to turn it around because that's a little long, and that's fine. Let's move the rest of this out the way. Let's place these 4 here. We need string, and we'll do some yellow on this one. So with me, string, it doesn't matter. It's what's inside that counts. Let's do some yellow here. String it through so we'll be ready. Well, once they get in the bag, and that is it. And then, like I said, I'll come back and put the front label on. And we are done. Done, done, done. All right, stop right there. Let's get our bag out. We grab one of our bath truffles. Place it in the bag. It's already been shrink wrapped. One twist. Take my label. We'll put this label in the back. How's that? I'm holding on to it. I'm tying a tie in it. There you go. Bringing it to the front and tying a bow in the front. Simple as that. And there you go. All right, one more time. Just show you real quick. And we'll do one more time. All right. I twist. I have my label. Place it down. I'll tie a knot in it. Oh, that broke, and that's fine. All I do is just cut this piece off and tie it around in the back. See? Never sweat the small stuff, and there we go. All right, guys. I'll bring you back when I'm done with some of them, okay? Bring you right back. All right, let me bring you back so we can do these last 4 and call it a day so you can continue to do your holiday shopping and what you need to do, okay? So let's go over the ingredients again. We have baking soda, citric acid. We'll have sweet orange essential oil. We have Epsom salt. All right. Our last one. Our last one, then I'll let you go. Take my glasses off so you don't get that ring light. Let me move you up so you can see me. Hi, guys. So we're done. Here they go. Sunny days, okay? Our featured soap. Fig and berries. I love you all. Have a great day. See you tomorrow's video, okay? Love you. Take it easy. Be safe. Be yourself. And just breathe. It's almost over. Hang in there. Love you guys. See you tomorrow's video. Happy Vlogmas Day 20.